Matt's goals were to purchase a really high quality property in the current market in Brisbane and take advantage of conditions. G'day guys, down here in Brisbane today at a recent buy. We just picked this up from Matt and his wife. Absolutely incredible property, purchased so far below market value, it's not funny. I just said to Matt that we'll never ever be able to do something like this again, but he has legitimately made a big chunk of money on the way in. Matt came to us, basically a Canadian, plays street hockey, absolute legend of a dude, runs a really successful business, and Matt came to us looking to buy one home and build one granny flat. And then he's also doing another townhouse project down the Gold Coast at the moment. I think he's going to rent one of them out when he completes it and live in the other one. So Matt's goals were to purchase a really high quality property in the current market in Brisbane and take advantage of conditions. Our plan was to go and buy an established home and then build a granny flat, but for some fluky reason, we've been able to find this place where there's already a house on it, already a granny flat in place, and we're able to pick it up for far below replacement value. Some of the challenges Matt had when he first came to us was he didn't have a really good understanding of the Brisbane marketplace, but obviously now he's been educated further. He also didn't have a really clear plan in place for exactly how he was going to execute his strategy, which has also been filled in now. So if we look at the property, huge block of land, great suburb, close to the city, surrounded by really high quality schools, good employment options in the Gold Coast, in the south side of the city, as well as the city centre. Matt's long-term vision is to be financially free, not just through his businesses, but through his properties as well. Can't wait to show you this one when it's all finished off.
Oh, sweaty, so sweaty.